Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the plane which we have designed in Bangladesh. Its dimension is 48 feet by 55 feet. In this video, we are reviewing the building. We will talk about the spaces. We will talk about the circulation and their dimension and their facade. So let's go. Here is a road. From here we can enter to a building. Here is inner side circulation of a vehicular circulation. Here is parking lot for office staff. Its dimension is 8 feet by 15 feet. So here is up to 11 parking. After that we can go through stair upward to our first floor. In the first floor we have given in the entry there is a management room which is 16 feet wide, and directly here is a CEO room. So here it will be a glass that CEO will notice everything which happens here, who is entering to a building, who is going out. Here is director room and here is conference room. After the conference room, here we can enter to a refreshment zone, which is called, here we given a kitchenette, and here we can enter to a praying hall, because it's in Bangladesh we have given proper praying area. After that we can enter to a toilet. Here is a sink area, and from here we can enter to a dining room, so which is 19 feet by 26 feet. Here is a proper lighting system, natural lighting system. We have given windows and there is proper natural ventilation system. And from here we can go upward to another level. So here is a waiting zone. After that we can enter to here to a staff room. From staff room we can enter to a project manager room and executive room. From here, here is praying zone and the bath in the sink area. If we see the front of the building, so here the 3D of the building. Here is the column layout, the road and the stair. Here someone park the vehicles. Let me explore the parametric view of the building. Here is the upper floor. You can see the waiting area. I think let me show you another floor. That's the showroom, the director room, the management room. Here is praying hall, the kitchenette, refreshment zone, the training room. For more design, please subscribe our YouTube channel. That's enough for today. See you in the next video. Have a good day, dear. Thank you for watching our video.